Hired this guy long before we ever knew each other, and just a few years ago, when you check in Hawaii, this guy has his own qualifier poster up. Like, he has multiple levels of amazing earners, CEOs, $1 million earners. We're just talking backstage. He's like, "Oh yeah, Maricel's 5th generation CEO." Like, boom! Like, how does that even happen, man? It's just unbelievable. So anyway, we're in Hawaii. He doesn't know me. I'm in the workout room on the treadmill, thinking I'm pretty cool, right? I'm getting a workout in on my vacation, right? I'm real disciplined. Anyway, so this guy comes in the workout room in sandals. And then he gets on the treadmill in his bare feet. And then he runs for like 20 minutes, you know, and I just love this guy. I'm like, man, this guy's a badass, man. Like, he doesn't need no stinking shoes, right? I mean, it's just unbelievable. I'm like, oh my God, I hope he doesn't like look over here and catch me, you know, running on a treadmill with like, you know, shoes on, right? I hope he'll think I'm a big pansy and he'll never talk to me again. Anyway, that obviously didn't happen. But you probably want to hear from a guy that is a $4 million earner, right? 295 SMDs, 170 total ring earners. My hero, field chairman, Rocky Sheep!
Introducing UNLV's Thomas and Max Center, field chairman, Rocky Sheep.
I'm going to speak legal English today. In fact, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to present. Don't look at me. Look at the PowerPoint. You know, so the dad said, your old talk numbers. Okay, this is your talk. I like it. All right. This is my background. I don't talk. But it took me 14 months to get my license. In fact,
it's very funny.
Yeah, this is the background in WFG. I have an opportunity here, right? I'm not a people person. I don't know too many people. I don't have a financial background, and I don't have business background. WFG has the platform. This is why it's going like that. Looks like I never fail, right? Win. Help me out. Read it. 24 states, we have offices and SMDs. 15 CEOs. All right. And I'm going to give you 9 tips in 7 minutes. This is my history. You can say the first 1 year, how much I make? Zero money. But we have 200 recruits. Because we know more recruit, more points, more leaders. And I got my license the first year, only $20,000 income. That's before I become SMD. Because I don't have too much right. People behind me, they got a license earlier. They got promoted earlier. I got 0% override. That's good. They make money. They happy. And more recruit, more points. This is the average. Okay, let's keep going. Tip number 2, active member. In fact, for every phone recruit we know, for every phone member, we have one member should be active. You go wide or you go deep. One example, from me to Sanlihuang, that's a 21D. Every phone level have an FMD. And from Sanlihuang to, this is Lingli, 13D, 21 FMD. That includes go wide, right?